It feels so good to be back. Stone Possessed Pumpkin, or Pumpkin Punisher, excuse me. Nice. Freddy Fazbear moving back there. Here's the Trick or Treat Studios Michael Myers. Is he working? Sir? I don't think he's working right now. Maybe it's a step pad. Oh, hello. Almost forgot about you.
Once you're there, you'll never leave. I'll keep you company.
He's actually pretty cool. And check this out. They have the Xenomorph over here. It's making any sound. I don't hear anything. Ooh. I almost forgot he did that. That startled me a little bit. That's still pretty cool though. Then, yes, I see him. He's back here at the Troy store. I will get to him in just a second. First, let's go in here. Here's, what the? What's his name again? Does he have a name tag down here? Let's see it, but, I think Crackles? Is that his name? Hey, let's give it a try. Oh, it's... It's not turned on. Also, I hear books or something. Oh, they have these now too? Ah. Interesting. Let's see, I recognize that audio. Here's Rolling Wendy. That is actually really cool. Then of course here's the scary sitting scarecrow. Everyone knows him by now at this point. And now here's the one that everyone's been talking about this year. Freddy Fazbear himself. This thing is huge in person. Let's see it in action. That is actually really cool. And what's funny is I've seen people complain online about his motors being too loud. But you see, if you use your brain and think about it, it's an animatronic of an animatronic. Technically, it makes sense. I'll show you what they have in stock here, just in case if anyone wants to come here and find anything. There's a harmonica hang, Scary Sing Scarecrow, Harvey Carvey, Bog Monster, some Little Witches, the Groundbreaking Sandworm, Pumpkin Punisher, the original Sing Scarecrow, not the original, but you know, the first version, Grave Watcher, whatever. There's Crackle, Mutant Sewer Rats, Cerberus. Here's your Trick or Treat Pete's, Wino Wallies. You got Vector from Corpse Bride, that's pretty cool. Bullseye, Electrified Corpse, Duo. That was a Doomsday Duo. That one's on my considering to get list right now. They have Art the Clown, Head Case Harry. Remember, I got him last year, then returned him because I heard about the problems with the mouth movement motors absolutely tearing the face up, and of course, the electrical glitches. And then there's a monkey business. Coming over here we have Jack the Reaper, Lady Misfortune, Back Ben Bonnie, and who's this? Buzz, Trash Bandit. Oh, here's some Carnival Creepers. Jeremy Jaws. I just forgot he was here this season. And another groundbreaking worm. Oh, and I missed this behind Lady Misfortune. We have some of the Screaming Reapers. Here's the Jumping Spiders. You got the black, brown, black and red. And then the new one here, the green, or technically black and green Jumping Spider. I actually really want to get that one. Honestly, it looks awesome. Here's this thing too. And also, before the Gemmy books have been, like, I guess, reskinned for this theme, which I think is actually really funny. That looks pretty cool. Fire Safety, Campfire Tales, Gorgeous Friend, and Survival Tactics 101. Also, here's this.
Come into Harbor Lake. We got campers here at the sheriff's station. They seem pretty freaked out. Place is booked.
Ooh, spooky. I think they got crackles working. It's not really loud though. But try turning them up.
Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
All right, they got Michael Myers working too now, so let's see him in action. Nice. Alright, I just left the Spirit Halloween, and as soon as I started recording, I just felt a little raindrop, so I think it's about to start raining. Today I got a coloring book, volume 1, and the new green jumping spider. I'll be setting this up when I get home, and yeah, I'll check it out when I get home. Alright, I'm now back home, and here's my new black and green jumping spider. I guess this doesn't really need much introduction other than this is a new variant of the jumping spider released just this year. At least last I checked, I think it's just this year. Yeah, it is. Yeah, nothing else needs to be said, so yeah. It's my third jumping spider. And also, yes, this here is my in the background is my Techie Death Row. The newer version. Like the recent remakes. I think they're remakes at least. I don't know what the chances are they just find a bunch of their old ones that they've already sold if it was so popular back then and just okay. And it's not about this thing right now. It's about this. It's about this. Anyway, let's open it up. Please. There we go. All right. Box. See it. Oh, here we go. All right. Flip this so the camera can see. This little frame thing here, little cardboard things. These come out first. I think these are actually these things in here. I think those are new. There's more cardboard in here. I think this just like slides out. I think this is, yeah. Look at that. Wow. I know it's a whole cardboard thing like this, and then this just slides out to reveal the animatronic. I've noticed that becoming more and more popular lately. Instructions. Big instructions for this little thing. And then here it is itself. It's get these twist ties here. Oh boy. And there we go. Wait, almost. There we go. All right. Here it is. There we go. All right. Now we can begin the setup. All right. I was thinking about, since I really know how to like set these up, I was just thinking, like, what if I just like sped run this thing? But yeah, you know what? Let's just do it. All right. Let's see how this goes. 3, 2, 1. No. Stop it. Okay. It says 231, but I had trouble stopping it for some reason. This damn laptop. I think it was actually more like 228. That probably could have been better. Although, to be fair though, I wasn't expecting them to change the whole like feet thing down here to where it actually like just goes over the feet instead of like just Velcro like it's been in the past. So that's interesting. Anyways, let's give us a quick test. Seems like it's pretty good. All right, he has been reset and he's ready to go. I'm going to be activating it using this I got from last year because I just didn't know what I want to activate it with, and I don't want it to be really boring. So yeah, just figured I'd have a bit of fun with it at least. All right, prepare to launch. Ready, launch. Awesome. That is actually really cool. And like I said, I really like how it looks in the black and green variant, and I feel like it's definitely interesting. But yeah, that's about it for this. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.